Hi guys, so today we're looking at how we can subtract fractions. Our learning intention for today is by the end of this class we should be able to subtract fractions that have the same denominator and subtract fractions that have different denominators. Now just to remind ourselves that fractions have a common denominator are said to have the same denominator. For example, 11 twelfths, 4 twelfths and 5 twelfths. We can subtract these numbers from each other. How many twelfths in total do I have? I have 11 minus 4 minus 5 twelfths. This gives us 2 twelfths. When subtracting fractions, please make sure that the bottom numbers, the denominators, are the same. For example, 7/8 minus 2/8. From here, we subtract the top numbers and put the answer over the same denominator. This leaves us with 7 minus 2 over 8, which gives us 5/8. And step 3, simplify the fraction. This means divide out any common number in the top and the bottom. Here, there is no common multiple between 5 and 8, and therefore the fraction is in its simplest form. Fractions with different denominators are more difficult to subtract. For example, 1/2 minus 1/3. Let's use our fraction strips to look at these fractions. Here I have 1/2 and 1/3. To subtract these, I must divide both fractions into equal parts of 6. Now I have 3/6 minus 2/6. If I take these from each other, I am left with 1/6. Let's try another example. 5/6 minus 2/5. Step 1. We must find the lowest common multiple between the bottoms. To do this, we find the multiples of 6. This gives us 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. We then find the lowest common multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. The lowest common multiple of 5 and 6 equals 30. We then find the equivalent fractions. This means we write 5/6 as its equivalent fraction with a bottom of 30. To write the equivalent fraction, we see how many times we must multiply 6 to get 30. 6 times 5 gives us 30. To find our new top, we must also multiply our top fraction by 5. Our equivalent fraction is 25 over 30. Let's find the equivalent fractions of 2/5. Our bottom is 30. 5 times 6 gives us 30. Therefore, our new top is 2 times 6, which gives us 12. For our final step, we subtract these equivalent fractions. 25 over 30 minus 12 over 30 gives us 13 over 30. Please pause the video and take down that example. Once you have the example written down, please turn to page 89 in your books, exercise 6.2, and complete question 5 and question 9.